Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Buds 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you gestures controls. In the beginning, take a look at your left and right earbud, and now tap twice on either earbud to answer or end the calls. Tap twice on either earbud to play pause. Tap 3 times on either earbud to skip to the next song, and tap 3 times on either earbud to decline the call. Press and hold for 2 seconds to enable or disable ANC. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.